Yo ninjas and Kaio, in this video we're gonna focus on some easy exercises to improve the back part of the flare. The first requirement to improve the back part of the flare is learning the Tuck Planche. So in this first video the exercises will be focusing on learning the Tuck Planche. These exercises and the Tuck Planche will work mostly on your shoulders, upper back, but also on your core a little bit. The shoulders are the muscles that are working the most while you're pushed back to the flare. So from flare to handstand, for example. How many sets and reps should you do for each exercise? It's up to you. I recommend you to start small with small numbers and increase the number of repetitions gradually week by week or every 2 weeks. In this way you will make sure there is some progress in your training. If you don't have parallels, you can use 2 chairs. They have to be at the same level. The slower you can do this exercise, the better it is. If you do it fast and you just swing, it's not good to learn the Tuck Planche. You have to be slow in order to learn how to maintain the position. These are all the exercises. When you feel comfortable by doing the low Tuck Planche on parallels or on chairs, try to do it a little bit higher, like this. When you're able to hold it higher like this for around 10 seconds, you can start practicing it on the floor. If you can already do the Tuck Planche, let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos where I show more advanced exercises to evolve your Tuck Planche in an advanced Tuck Planche or in a straddle planche. The more advanced version of a Tuck Planche you can do, the easier it will be to get higher in the back part of the flare. Also, press to handstand exercises will be very useful for you. If you will need more help for your moves or your breaking in general, check out my Patreon link in the description. In my Patreon I post exclusive tutorials that I don't publish here on YouTube, and there are some different coaching plans. If you want to support me, check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next week with a new video. Yo ninjas!